If you're wondering where the spare tire is located for Kia Sportage, you've come to the right place. In this video, I will show you the location of the spare tire and how to safely remove it from its compartment. The spare tire is located under the floor in the cargo area. First, open the lift gate. Then grab the handle on the floor and lift it up. Here you will see the spare tire, and alongside there is a jack and a toolkit. Before you can remove the spare tire, you will have to take out this cargo cover. Lift up the plastic trim on both sides of the cargo cover. Now take out the cargo cover. Now that the cargo cover is out of the way, we can continue with removing the spare tire. The spare tire is held in place by a wing bolt. You can unscrew the wing bolt by turning it counterclockwise. After removing the bolt, you can easily lift up the spare tire and remove it from the cargo area. Before installing the spare tire in your Sportage, it is recommended to check the tire pressure. As this is a space-saver spare tire, it requires a high air pressure of 60 psi. The maximum speed allowed on this space-saver tire is 80 km per hour or 50 mph. So for your safety, do not exceed this limit when driving your car with this spare tire. When the spare tire is no longer needed, you can put it back in its place. Don't forget to reinstall the wing bolt. Insert the bolt and turn it clockwise until the wheel is fully secured. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more car tips.